Guys, today we'll talk about how can you start reading on your Tappytoon app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in verse, you just go down here. So you keep going down here, and here you select any of this you want to start reading. I'm going to click on this, for example, on this book here. So then you just click here on start reading here. You just click on it. So when you click here on start reading here, then you click here on turn on HD mode. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here can you start reading here in this list on your Tappytoon app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.